Hortons. Made it to Tim Hortons.
We did.
Starting the day right.
Nice breakfast.
We've got the goods now, haven't we?
We do. We've got Tim Hortons. And you've got a bottle of water.
Yeah, a bottle of water. We also got, what is this?
That is an Oreo iced cap.
And I got a strawberry lemonade as well.
Very nice. Right, so then we have your donut.
The lid here.
We have, which one's this? That's the ketchup ultimate breakfast wrap.
The big wrap, something like that. Yeah.
Something along those lines. Expert foodies. The one with brown sauce.
Oh.
Multiple hash browns, because you can never have too many hash browns.
Look at them. Yummy, yummy.
And then maple bacon pancakes. There is bacon in there.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Yum, yum, yum. That's a strong limonade, eh?
This would not be the first time that it's very sour.
Do you want your hash brown?
I can have my hash brown.
Cheers. Cheers, dink.
I do love a bit of hash brown.
So the plan for today is we are going to attempt the Owl Sanctuary. Something that we planned last night.
The Suffolk Owl Sanctuary.
I mean, it's a bit cloudy today, but I'm
sure it'll be alright.
Go see some birdies. Look at that. This isn't just any pancakes. These are Tim Hortons pancakes. Donk, 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 donk. I don't remember the M&S song.
What's hilarious is that came out more like Mission Impossible.
Donk, 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 donk. Right.
See you there.
See you on the road. No, at the place.
We're on the road.
Maybe.
Got a bit of wood. And another bit of wood.
What's he doing? Eating it?
Oh, he's chewing on it. It's funny. Oh wow. What's that? Crow? Cool. Aww. He's cute.
There's one there.
And one over the back. Hello. You watching us?
Pretty.
Are you watching us?
Wow.
Look at the detail on his face. Well, if that counts as a face. I don't quite know what that counts as.
There is a face.
Yeah.
How pretty.
Hello again. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Yay, that's better. Well, welcome to the Suffolk Owl Sanctuary. My name's Matt, and together with Dolly and Rob, we're going to be introducing you to some of our rather lovely birds today. So we're going to go all the way to the other side of the world, to the Dominican Republic and islands in the Caribbean. We're going to be meeting Boris. Boris is an ashy-faced owl. So Boris was actually a COVID baby, and got his name because he has a very wispy tuft on the top of his head. And so yes, little Boris Johnson the owl here. Yes, he's not actually that fond of parties, so maybe we got the name a little bit wrong. But Boris actually is quite at home flying at any time of the day. So his right ear is just above the right eye here, left ear is just below the left eye. So he actually got slightly wonky ears. And they're actually a little bit forward facing as well. Come it over. Come it over, Boris. Now, you might notice some of the features that Boris has. Well, he's got quite a short tail for his size. Owls typically don't have particularly long tails. Tail acts as a rudder and also as a brake. So that allows him to change direction. So that means Boris can't change direction particularly fast, but he doesn't really need to. He doesn't. What we're going to do though, before we send Boris back, is show you one of his favourite hunting techniques. Now, this might not work so well today, but we're going to see if we can ask Boris to do a little bit of a hover for us. This is something that the barn owls often will do. Boris does tend to like the wind in his favour. He's going to do a little hover, and like this. Boom. Oh, nice round of applause for Boris. And once Boris starts filling up with food, and this is typical of the owls, if they catch something like a mouse, Boris will actually swallow it in one go. The next day he'll bring up a little pellet of all the undigestible food, and that's called a casting.
We're ready for our next bird. You should be joining us. Yeah, back to the UK. And this is Rio.
Oh, beautiful.
Anyone recognise what Rio is?
Yes, but
Yeah, I've heard that lots of times. He is a kestrel, Rio today. Maybe a catch instead. Do you want to do a catch?
oh wow. Oh, close.
He missed it, but I think he appreciates it. We'll blame my bad throw, shall we, Rio? Yeah, he's 12 years old now, and he's a clever bird. He's like, doesn't have to do it. And we never make our birds do anything they don't want to do. There we go. That's a better throw. Didn't get around to applause for that one. Wild kestrels, yeah, they don't live so long for many reasons. They face a lot of competition for their food, like barn owls, for example. Also,
So we're going to go over to southern United States and Mexico to meet our next bird. Typically these are desert species. We're going to be meeting Derek, and Derek is a male Harris hawk.
Oh, I've had one.
There he comes.
They're beautiful.
Now, Harris hawk's quite an unusual species. Although Derek is here on his own, Harris hawks are one of the few species of bird of prey that are social. He likes to do a little bit of low flying. So the males on their own, well, he could catch something the size of maybe a rabbit, maybe a pheasant. The females maybe something the size of a hare, but by working together they can even catch something the size of a young deer. So they're very powerful birds for their size. One thing you can look out for as you're wandering around the sanctuary today is having a good look at the birds. Have a look at their feet. So if they've got big feet compared to the rest of their body size, like Derek has here, that normally means they are more of a hunter. If they have very small feet, maybe like our red kites, that tends to mean that they will be more of a scavenger. Out for the waiting females will normally be up on a cactus or nice and high, so they have a height advantage, and the females are then capable of catching the bigger prey. We're going to go back to our owls now. We're going to also meet one of our biggest owls that we have here. We're going to be bringing out our Siberian eagle owl, Tura. So Tura can be a little bit hit and miss in the sense that she doesn't like it when it's warm, muggy, rainy, most weather conditions to be fair. So we'll see if Tura will come out. Yeah, even though she is a Siberian eagle owl, she was actually born here in the UK. As you can see though, she is quite an impressive predator. Tura, over here. You come in? There we go. Over there.
Oh,
Beautiful wingspan.
beautiful.
So they want to try and conserve their energy. Out in Siberia, in the winter, it's incredibly cold. So she wants to conserve her energy where possible, even though we don't. She doesn't live in Siberia. So we have a little bit of a routine to get her head back in. We always call her to this perch here, and then she knows it's time to fly back into her aviary. A little bit more responsive there. So again, we won't give her a round of applause just yet. We'll wait until she goes all the way in. Are you going to head off, Tura? And there she goes. Now you can give her a round of applause. Well done, Tura.
More owls over here, is there? Oh yeah. They do like their little boxes, don't they? And the corner. You just flew. Why'd you just fly? What did you get? Or did you want to come and see us?
Curiosity, maybe.
There's also a little bug flying around up there.
Wow. Those are some wings.
That's an impressive bird.
Huh. That was cool.
He looks like he's looking for something, doesn't he?
Yeah, he's obviously caught something that he's trying to find. Looks like he's about to go again, yeah. Oh, with the full circuit.
You can hear how much force he has behind him.
I want to see the face of this barn owl. Oh, thank you.
Plop.
Oh, his name's Plop.
There was an owl called Plop in a story, wasn't there? I'm sure.
I don't know. Plop the owl.
No.
It's Plop. He's so cute, isn't he?
He is.
Ah. He loves his owls. Does Adam? Kid in a candy store.
Tiny eyes on that one.
He's a member of the flying team. Shh, I'm not talking to you, I'm talking to him. Oh, I love it. So cute. Cecil. Cute. And then, what's this next one? Alright,
He's got
sorry, my
a
bad.
chirp on him.
Yes.
Is that a hello? Or a go away?
He's a eagle owl. I can't. Mackinder's Kruger. Like Freddy Krueger. Where's his? Alright, where's it? I tried to get his face. Great horned owl. His name is Meerkat. Look at him. Let's see if I can get him back there. Oh, there he is. Oh, hi Meerkat. Look at him. He's a raven. Oh, pretty.
Hello, you.
They're massive. There's another one down there. What are their names? Charles and Ray. That was him.
Oh, is that the noise he made?
Yeah.
I didn't know ravens.
Yeah. They're very intelligent birds.
Hmm.
You try and take a picture of him on your camera.
Sure.
Look, there's a bee in that flower.
Which way round? And
Whatever way. Oh, there's a little bee covering himself in pollen. Oh my goodness.
hello, George.
Isn't he? What is he? A crested caracara. He's got one little foot up.
Yeah. So he's standing on one foot.
Yeah. Well, he was asleep and then you woke him up.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
look at the big
Yeah, you
yawn.
said hello, George, and he opened his eyes. Adam, look. There's another one out up there.
Hello. I need a video of you.
That's what I've been doing. Look at his little face. Oh, stop for a little rest, haven't we?
Yeah.
And over there's a little meerkat. Let's zoom in on him. He's keeping watch. Chilling with a view, eh? Well, you haven't got the view I have.
What are we doing?
We're waiting around for the Meerkat Talk.
Oh, yeah.
We've probably got about an hour, but we're next to the meerkats now.
Prime position.
Yeah.
Yeah, they know what's happening.
So, welcome to the Suffolk Owl Sanctuary. Welcome to the Meerkat Castle. My name's Nick. I'm going to give these guys a little bit to eat. You've just had some. Whilst I do that, I'll tell you a bit about them. Okay, what they're actually like, as opposed to what you may think they're like. Okay. You're still looking your lips in the last bit. So we'll start with the easy stuff. We have 10 meerkats. Okay, these guys are all brothers and sisters. That way. Okay, now we don't have mum and dad anymore. They passed away a few years ago. Oh, steady. But this is how they live, okay, in family groups. So you start with mum and dad, and then eventually you could wind up with as many as 50. Okay, 50 would be a lot of meerkats. Okay, 10's quite a lot those days, to be honest. Here you go. This little one is our lookout, making sure nothing sneaks up on us and tries to eat us all. Now, if she spots something, she'll let the others know by making a noise. But the noise for bird is different to the noise for snake. The noise for snake is different to lion. Lion is different to hyena. Those are basically words. So they have their own language. Another good sign of intelligence is when she makes the noise, these guys don't all just look up at the sky. The sky's quite big. By the time they've spotted the eagle, Uncle Terry's been eaten. Okay? So what they will do is they will look at that one, the one that makes the noise, because she's looking right at it, pointing at it. Now that doesn't sound like much, but that takes a lot of brain power, because they will look where she's looking. If any of you have got dogs, you can test your dog. Get your dog's attention and point at something. If your dog looks at your finger, he's not the sharpest pencil in the pot. But the more intelligent the dog, the more likely it is to look where you're pointing. It has to figure out what it means. It's a basic intelligence test. So they're a smart animal.
Because they have the equivalent power of an eagle of their size. However, Rafiki, well, he is pretty small. He's not a very big eagle owl. If you've seen Tura, our Siberian eagle owl, or maybe Samba, who is our Eurasian eagle owl, they are considerably bigger. So Rafiki here weighs less than a bag of sugar. He's not very big, but he is a very powerful predator for his size. There we go. A little bit of walking today. He has very dexterous feet, and the reason he needs to spend time on the ground is because he's not the biggest predator out in Africa. In fact, there are even bigger species of owls that would quite happily eat Rafiki if they got the chance. So, if there's a big predator around, Rafiki will try to get out of the way as best he can, going onto the ground, maybe into a bush, maybe into a burrow. We're thinking about it. There we go. So you can see Rafiki always pounces using his feet. He's got very powerful feet for his size. Also very good at trotting along using those feet. And running along the ground is actually a good way to conserve energy as well. So it's actually a lot more energy efficient to run than it is to fly. There we go.
Oh.
And you'll notice Rob's giving him a reward for everything that he does here.
My favourite owl and centre. She doesn't really have favourites, but I have. I'm sure she'll be one of yours as well when you meet her. And we're going to go to Asia for our next one. Yes, I can hear. Her name is Woody. She should be appearing. Woody. Come on. Woody is an Asian brown British wood owl. We also like to call them Miss Sarcastic.
This is Smokey, and Smokey is a great grey owl. So this thing you might notice with Smokey is that he looks very big. In fact, these are classed as the longest owls in the world. From the head to the tip of the tail, as you can see, they're very big. You might be surprised to know that Smokey actually weighs less than a bag of sugar. He doesn't weigh much at all. He's got lots of feathers that are designed to keep him warm in the winter. They actually seem to do a fairly good job at keeping him cool in the summer as well. So the great greys have got this very distinctive face. You can see he's got that big facial disc.
This one's a little bit bigger than Rafiki you've seen earlier on, and in fact would eat Rafiki in the wild if he had the chance. The bigger the bird of prey is, the bigger things they eat, and they also don't care about eating their own prey. Now, we're an owl sanctuary. We often get asked questions about owls. Sometimes we're told answers about owls. There's quite a few things that always eventually come out, and we thought we'd tell them in the talk so we can tell people whether they're right or wrong. First of all, there's no such thing as a wise old owl. They're as thick as two short planks. And that's probably why a group of owls is called a parliament. Getting political now. Secondly, owls cannot turn their heads all the way round. So if they did that, their head would just fall off. They can turn it around 3/4 of the way round though, which gives them much better vision, all-round vision. They're able to do that because they have double the amount of neck vertebrae that...
GoPro died, you can hear the aircon because it's hot. But we finished at the Owl Sanctuary. What did you think of it?
Very good.
Yeah.
Very much enjoyed it.
Yeah. Oh look, there's moo cows. Oh, the round ones, the round cows. Anyway, it was well worth the money, well worth the visit. We bought some stuff, so we'll film what we bought when we get home. So yeah, got to watch more of the owl shows, and we went and saw all the final, like, all the birds that we really liked. We watched them all one more time.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a hidden gem, the Owl Sanctuary. Recommended. Down to McDonald's. Can't get it. Here's your Biscoff McFlurry.
Biscoff. I do like a bit of Biscoff. Very nice. Look at that.
I'd say taste
Very
test,
nice.
but this isn't the first time we've had one of them.
Still really good.
Yeah. Yeah. McFlurry's by the sea. Can't get it. Nice.
So, what did we buy?
Well, we got a free pamphlet,
Oh, souvenir map.
and I found this in the kids' learning section.
You got yourself a bookmark.
Bookmark. I can colour it in.
Very
Right,
nice.
that's receipts. So, we got this little notebook
Nice.
and this little owl.
Very cute.
I love him. Then we got trinkets. Got this pom-pom owl. Can you see him? Got little feet too. He's cute. I got a little thimble, which I plan on putting on our thimble rack, which is of a deer.
Mm-hmm.
Got a little jar. Little owl.
Wishing jar.
Friendship wishing jar, but it's cute. It's cute. We support businesses. Oh, no sellotape. My arch nemesis. Deleted. We got this cute little. Well, I assume it's a hanging ornament. There is a string around it. It might not be actually. No, it's just a sitting ornament.
Oh, nice. Oh well. I'll
You can
find
eat
a
it.
spot for it.
Let me take the little. Yeah, that's weird. It's got a string. Anyway, got this little glass owl.
Isn't he cute?
He's going to sit somewhere. Oh, sticky. Right, more tape. And more tape. Got a little glass box. Little trinkets. And then, so outside of where the Owl Sanctuary is, there's loads of shops, and we went in one that's got loads of little small businesses selling their stuff. And I got
More sellotape.
more sellotape, yeah. So there was this one shelf that had like loads of little trinkets for £3 each, and I got this one. It's like a little porcelain or ceramic pot with a dang it, kitty cat.
There we go.
Then I bought myself this little pipe cleaner teddy bear.
Nice.
And they were only £2, so I bought one for my mum and my sister, so that we can all have little pipe cleaner teddy bears. Cute. That's what we bought. It's a good day. Would highly recommend it. Would you?
I would too. That's the Suffolk Owl Sanctuary.
Oh yeah, Suffolk Owl Sanctuary. Bye.
Bye.